He's eating the milk, he or she. I don't know which one this is. Baby possums. Ooh, look, dog yawn. Maybe he's had enough.
They want more, they just need a break. Baby animals eat round the clock except when they're sleeping.
There's one. Come on, you buried your brother or your sister, whoever that is. Come on. This is their artificial marsupium. There's one. No, say, huh? Say what?
He's not ready to eat.
Looks trying to burrow down into the...
Yeah.
down into the pouch. The pouch. That's how they would be in the pouch, all wedged in there.